YouTube? It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. Today we're going to be pressing up a hustler shirt, sort of a creative thing that I was thinking in my brain. Also, the B-roll that you guys seen with some of the merch and some of the patches that I had got from T-Shirt Side Hustle. If you haven't got a chance, head over to T-Shirt Side Hustle. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell them Mike sent you. But let's get into this. Like you guys have just seen in the B-roll, I had a hat that I had got from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and it's a flex style hat. Actually, it's extra comfortable. As you can see, the flex fit on the inside. It's from a Port Authority, but they sell this brand on Heat Transfer Warehouse, the site. Also, I got these, I want to call them fox leather or fake leather patches, which is slick. Got them from Stan Banks. I will be pressing them in another video, or as soon as I get the proper hat press. The one I got right now is dedicated mass press, so I don't feel like creasing anything up. Also, I got a super color transfer. And I got these, the actual patches in this transfer from Stan Banks's. He's doing like this thing where you're going to be able to watch a video once you highlight the T-shirt Side Hustle some sort of way. I'm not sure how that works, as we will be finding out soon. And I got one of the sweatshirts. That was some of the things that he gave me. And y'all ain't heard this in a while, but Econo is what I'm using tonight on this shirt back here. Shouts out to the squad. All things style. You dig? And my homeboy 12 going Apparel. Make sure y'all go to their channels. Like, comment, subscribe, comment, like. Say something. Watch something. More importantly, do something. Yo, this right here, you need this. You must clean your garments off before you press them. And as you can see, I got a nice, clear, clean one. I just peeled off from the last video, actually. Rarely. And I cleaned all of this, but just to show you guys, again, it doesn't matter what garment you're pressing, you're going to want to do this. You see those fabrics? That's loose fabrics from the actual garment. Y'all seen it wasn't nothing on here, but it's important to use this, as this will ultimately mess up your shirt if you're sublimating on it. Not the actual lint roller. The lint that's on the roller will actually mess up the sublimation. So you want to make sure that you lint roll. You want to make sure that you do a pre-press. All those things are important. It's a how-to. I should write a book. Y'all think I should write a book? It's a how-to guide to doing these shirts. And a lot of times, a lot of folks don't mention it. I hear pre-press a lot, but I never hear really that you need this lint roller. This is very important. So my heat is at 320 degrees. I'm going to press for 15 seconds on a medium firm pressure. The saying that I had, I cut it all up to spread it over this 3X shirt as I'm going to be wearing it. And I think I'm going to apply one of those patches right here to this after I get everything affixed the way that I want to on this red shirt. Once again, shouts out to Econotransfers. Go get you some Econos, man. We's like butter, baby. And the saying says, hustle until your haters ask if you're hiring. If that ain't a catchy phrase, I don't know what one is. But it means, you know, grit, go to sleep. If you don't go to sleep, grit while you're supposed to be sleeping. Get up in the morning, grit again, and then let that cycle continuously go. Eventually, you won't have to work so hard. As you just seen, I closed that for the 15 seconds, and I'm just gonna peel. But I'm gonna do an overkill press after I put my stamp down on my embroidered patch. Y'all, I'm all over the place. Being on vacation ain't got to me. Seriously. So ultimately with the patch, it wants to be 4 inches away from the collar, 3 inches down. The bigger the shirt, this is a 3XL, you don't want it to be up underneath the arms, although you don't want to be too close to the chest either. So I might end up scooting this over. And again, I might just leave it there. I gotta take a good look. Well, either way, you just want to make sure that it's not too far left and it's not too far up. And they do have t-shirt rulers like logo gridded. I seen some new t-shirt things that you can get off of Instagram. It just popped up in my feed one day, but you gotta do your due diligence. Do that and then use that to place your stuff. So I had to go back old school, and what I have here is a tape measure, and it goes down in fractions. So actually what you do is get to your 4, and then you kind of measure from your collar at an angle. What you can see is at a 4, that's pretty good. And then from the top to here, which should be 6.5, it's not bad. Moved it a little bit, but that's definitely not bad. And then, as the saying goes, 3 fingers away from the collar, but for me it's 4. It's a 3X. So I kind of wanted to spread this saying all over the shirt. That's why I cut it apart. And we're going to press again at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. Okay, no liftage on the patch. I like that. And it's got that like suede feel to it, so you can fluff it back and forth. So let's take this off the press. But before I do that, let's holler at the squad constituents. Shout out to James Patton. What up with you, man? How you doing? We appreciate your contributions to the squad. Keep being great. Another shout out to Samuel, and I'm going live, y'all, with this as I'm on live with Facebook. Shout out to Anthony Samuels. We appreciate you being in the squad. All y'all contributions help, really. It takes us to the next level, I would say. And if you guys got a YouTube channel, go ahead and let me know. Drop them down in the comment section below. And the last one for the night, Mellow the Cruz. Shouts out to you. If y'all would like any of the squad's information, you gotta join the Facebook group, which will be in the description box below. And also, get you some Grizzly fit. We out here, man. Hey, yo, look at that. What it look like? You know what I'm saying? Am I shining? Am I there yet? Star status. Shouts out to T-Shirt Side Hustle once again for sending me these patches and that super color print. I can't wait to put it on something. Also, shouts out to everybody that's in the squad, whether big or small. We're a community of people that are uplifting, helping, teaching, learning, and inspiring. I want y'all to head over to 12 Gone Apparel's channel. Like, comment, subscribe. Head on over to All Things channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Head on over to You Dig. You dig? Like, comment, and subscribe. But until the next one, y'all, in an official way and in a real way. Hold on. I'm out.
I slide clean with a new team of bitches that wanna feed me. On a mic of fist work, cause I do you niggas greasy. I'm flexing my muscle, make this shit look so easy. Self in the double bag, since I was a BG. Hit them youngsters wiping your window down like the squeegee. Summertime, pull up gloves on, nobody wanna see me. Reppin' the RTC with the SMG. Fucking with nationwide critters, got me killers for free. Home gorillas on my team, no love for chimpanzees. How can you stop me with your measly asses? Condition for war and hard times, just like a savage. Feel the tension in the air, so I grabbed it. Nigga, work out the cabinet, come up, show, we kick your dough like the dragon. I was built on Rolling Ave in the Maple Block, where a 30-day plates and a cater top. Loafed on, it's time to play the block. You king in these streets, never lose my seat, you not. Fucking with me, you fucking with me. I'm king in these streets, never lose my seat, you not. Fucking with me, you fucking with me. I'm king in these streets, never lose my seat, you not. Fucking with me, you fucking with me. I'm king in these streets, never lose my seat, you not. Fucking with me, fucking with me. I will not lose, nigga. stay dangerous, nigga. Free all my niggas, and all my niggas living 10 toes down, nigga. Stay dangerous, nigga. Yeah. Nigga, shooting that money through in the J-Pay, nigga. Stay dangerous, nigga. Cash out to the lokes in the joint. Roll it.